Welcome guys, here is how to make use of AI mode on PC. So go ahead and open a browser and then type in google.com. Now once this is open, I already have one open. Once it's open, just click on this area where it says AI mode. Very simple. And now you notice it says high trust. Now you can start typing things like now it is going to give you the result based on whatever you searched for. So this is actually how to use AI mode. Now the AI mode is not the same thing with making use of Gemini. I already said it earlier. The AI mode is also different from making use of Google. And also you see this question I ask here, right? To make use of AI mode second method on your PC. This is actually what you do. So you open google.com and then you search in whatever you want to search. You hit enter. You type and then you hit enter. It's going to give you results. Now, to use AI mode second method, you notice where it says AI mode. Just click on that and it's going to give you AI written result. This is going to be different from your Google search and also different from Gemini. So it gives you the results and as well as source that it actually found on the internet. So you can always click on the link to double check the results. So guys, this is all I want to share with you on this video. If it helped you, smash like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.